quick demonstration, front view. Quick demonstration, side view. Let's talk about step by step of roundhouse, okay? Let's do step number 1. Side view. Alright, so for step number 1 is basically same thing for straight kick step number 1, except one thing, okay? So just pay attention when you bring your knees up, right? For roundhouse, you want your ankle to make it straight. Your toes pointing down also, so it's like this, okay? Let's do a side view. You see my ankle is straight and my toes also straight, right? Alright, let's do step number 2, okay? Alright, side view. Alright, let's do back view. So, few things to pay attention, right, on step number 2. So, if your front feet is left side, you turn to the left. If your front feet is right side, you turn towards the right. That makes sense? And nothing is, once you here, make sure your knees is pointing towards your opponent and your heel close to your butt cheek as possible, right? If your knees is not, so wherever your knees pointing at, that is where the maximum power will be delivered. So if you point your knees here, the maximum power will go here. If your knees pointing here, the maximum power will go here. All right, so just keep that in mind. And that's pretty much it for step number 2. Let's do step number 3, okay? Side view. So now we're gonna talk about how to use roundhouse with your front feet, right? So let's do a quick demonstration. All right, ready, stance? Okay. Let's do side view, okay? side view again. Alright, so let's talk about step by step, okay? As always, get into your ready stance. So what you want to do is, first step is you want to slide your back feet forward, okay? And then bring your front feet to step number 2. Then step number 3, just extend your feet out. Okay, let's do side view, okay? Slide the back feet forward. Then bring the front feet, step number 2. Then extend it out. Let's do it this side. Alright, so few things to pay attention when you do front leg roundhouse, okay? So the only thing that guy needs to pay attention is step number 1. For step number 2 and 3 is pretty much the same, but step number 1 is very important, okay? So let's do side view, okay? Let's say my target is in front of me, right? And step number 1, as you slide your feet in front, right? So when you slide your feet in front, towards the front, right? Your heel is pointing towards the target. Your toe is pointing back, okay? And make sure, you see how my feet is? Make sure this feet is in front of the back feet, okay? Just like this again. Slide, is in front, okay? Do not do this, okay? Do not do this. Do not slide your back feet behind the front feet. The reason you don't do this is when you raise it up and kick, right? This will get caught. This will get caught with this feet. So you don't want to do that. Make sure when you slide, it's in front. When you bring it up, nothing will get caught. So you do it, if you're doing this way, which is wrong, okay? When you raise it up, it will get caught with this back feet. That's no go, okay? Just remember that. Right way is this. Slide, back legs in front, and just up, pow. Alright? Front view, front leg, roundhouse. So make sure you guys remember, the feet, right, is towards the front, okay? Bring it up and good. Alright. Alright, don't do this, okay? Again, do not do this. This is wrong, okay? So do not do this. Make sure the back feet is here. Okay, it's right here. Not here. No. Make sure slide front like this. Alright, so let's do a quick recap, okay? So why do we use back feet and why do we use front feet, okay? And where to aim for, alright? So why do we using back feet? So if you're using roundhouse back feet, it's for strength, and you will lose speed. If you're using front leg roundhouse, you will gain speed but lose strength, okay? And lastly is, what part of my feet will be in contact with target, right? So let's see this. So if you pay attention here with this 2 area, okay? 2 area that will be in contact with the target. Okay, you can choose to hit the target with your shin right here, right? Or or you can hit with the bone or the balls of your feet right here. Okay, it's depend on the, of course it's depend on the target. If it's close to you, right, you hit with the chin. If it's kind of far away from you, using the bone in the in between, I mean in the middle of your feet right here, right? And that's it for this week lesson. I will see you guys next week, right? Thank you.